Yo, what's up everyone? Welcome back to Jet TV. Today we're right here in Shibuya, Tokyo, one of the busiest places on the planet, and I'm about to try one of Japan's most legendary desserts, the Kiseki pancake. Now real quick, Kiseki in Japanese means miracle, and trust me, this pancake is already looking like a miracle before I even touch it. The moment this pancake hits the table, everything stops. It's tall, golden, perfectly cooked, and it's literally jiggling like it's alive. This is not a normal pancake. This is on a whole different level. What makes the Kiseki pancake so special is the way it's made. This is a souffle-style pancake, which means the batter is whipped until it's super light and airy, then slowly cooked at low heat. This process takes time, skill, and patience. That's why there's always a wait, but this isn't fast food, this is art. Alright, let's cut into it. Look at that. The knife goes straight through, no resistance at all. The pancake just bounces back and the inside is insanely soft. It looks like a cloud, it feels like a cloud, and honestly, it's kind of crazy. Now let's talk about the smell real quick. You get this warm, buttery aroma with hints of egg and milk. It smells fresh, rich, and comforting at the same time. This is the kind of dessert that pulls you in before you even take a bite. First bite. Wow. This is unbelievably soft. It melts instantly in your mouth. The sweetness is perfectly balanced, not too sweet, not too heavy. You can actually taste the quality of the ingredients. The eggs, the milk, the richness of the batter. Everything comes together smoothly. They keep the toppings simple for a reason. You've got butter, fresh cream, and syrup. The butter melts right into the pancake, the syrup soaks in slowly, and every bite becomes even more flavorful. The pancake itself is the star, no need to overload it. And honestly, part of what makes this experience special is where you're eating it. Outside, Shibuya is loud, fast, and chaotic. People everywhere, lights flashing, energy non-stop. But inside this cafe, everything slows down. You sit, you wait, you relax, and you focus on this one perfect pancake in front of you. This isn't a dessert you rush through. It's not something you grab and run. This is a slow experience. You take your time, enjoy every bite, and really appreciate the moment. This pancake is perfect for dessert lovers, couples on a date, or anyone who just wants to treat themselves after exploring Shibuya. Whether it's your first time in Tokyo or your 10th, this is one of those experiences that sticks with you. This is easily one of the fluffiest, softest, and most satisfying pancakes you'll ever try. If you're enjoying this video, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe to Jet TV, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next food adventure. Alright, I'm going back in for another bite. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one.